not a game, it's a rich thing.
Well, it's been a while since my last upload, probably about 5 years almost. Since that time, I've had a son. I know most of the uploads were about the IROC Camaro, and some of you guys were actually wanting me to put out new videos and more videos because some of you actually like the content. I guess here's an update for you guys. My Camaro has since been sold, and the engine for it was also sold as well. I had to have a couple knee surgeries and I was off of work for 3 months, so I had to have some money come in so that way I could try to support my family for the 3 months I couldn't work. But so there won't be any Camaro content for a while, or never. I'm not really sure yet. With the prices of vehicles and older metal right now, it's just kind of ridiculous. So I might stick with maybe uploading videos of the truck build, or the trailer that I've been working on too. It's pretty neat. Well, to me, probably not to anyone else, but I'm gonna try to make some more videos, try to get more active on YouTube, just because it was, you know, it's fun to make videos and edit stuff, but it's also kind of weird to watch yourself talking to a camera. Since then, I did buy a 2013 F-150 Lariat, which is pretty nice. It's got everything that I needed, and it was a good price. Luckily, I bought it before the inflation happened, so I got a pretty good deal on it. Ooh, he's got a flat tire. Oh my goodness. He's still driving with it. Oh my god. Yeah, and I might post some stuff about work. I tint windows, I do bed liners, leather interiors, truck accessories. B and W hitches, gooseneck hitches, stuff like that. So if you guys actually want to see some of that stuff, I can probably try to record things, with hopefully not be too awkward with the camera setup. I don't know how people will feel about that, but we'll find out. But until the next upload, I will see you guys later.